Hi friends, welcome to Mr. NBT. So those who are preparing for NEET, it's compulsory and it's evident in NEET 2025 examination. Yesterday it was held. You can see many questions are from NCERT books itself. So for the subject matter, it's better to follow NCERT physics, chemistry and biology. Most importantly, you need to prepare from NCERT biology in order to get good score for botany and zoology subjects. And chemistry also, you will get a very good knowledge when you go through the NCERT books. Physics, I think it's not sufficient, but conceptual knowledge, you can refer NCERT books and other allied books that I will be covering in the upcoming videos. So I bought these books actually from Amazon, and I got this order, all physics, chemistry and biology books. I just want to inform you, I tried to buy these textbooks from local markets, bookshop. Most of the places I see the quality of the paper and printing of the paper is not that much up to the mark. I don't know, I can't say or comment whether it is in pirated books or duplicate books or whatever you want to say, but the quality of printing and the images clarity and the paper feel is not good. But you can see these books in video. I feel that these are very much better than the local books, and these are up-to-date books, new books. Maybe I felt that these are very superior in quality, and I got more interested to go through these books when I got received, because of the quality of the paper and printing clarity, and also the thickness of the paper and the binding etc. is far superior and better than the books that are available in the local market. I'm not sure in all the local market this is the case, but the place that I went and seen is different. And I bought one book. I don't that book is not that much quality, and weight also is very less when I compared to this book. Only one book I bought, and I felt that this is not proper, and I just researched in Amazon and purchased this. If you would like to know such kind of videos, please like our video, and all the best for your next NEET 2026, or who are the droppers or freshers. For your purpose, as many of you requested, I kept in Amazon affiliate link, where if you click it, you can go and buy the books, and it gives some percentage for me, some commission for me. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also provide your valuable suggestions. Thank you. All the best for your NEET 2026.